Hey there! Today we're tackling a tricky problem that many Excel users face. The need to change multiple cells in a spreadsheet from one format to another. Specifically, we're looking to transform entries like 17-2024C into C 2024-17. This can be quite a headache, especially when dealing with large amounts of data over multiple years. Additionally, the entries include pay period numbers ranging from 1 to 27, further complicating the task. As if that weren't enough, new data is constantly being added to the mix. So we need a solution that's both efficient and adaptable. Now, let's dive into the solution to this problem. One approach is to use a formula that leverages the power of Excel functions, specifically the let function. The formula provided splits the string, counts the number of columns, sorts the data in descending order, and then joins it all back together in the desired format. By following this process, we can successfully reformat the entries to meet our requirements. It's a neat trick that can save you loads of time and effort, especially when dealing with complex data transformations. In summary, we've explored a clever solution to a common Excel problem: reformatting multiple cells efficiently and effectively. By utilizing the let function in a series of Excel functions, we can streamline the process and achieve the desired outcome with ease. So go ahead, give this method a try in your own spreadsheets and see the magic for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy Excel ing!